Here you can select your gender. Let's suppose my channel gender is here, and I'm gonna switch to male. So click on it and select, and then you can simply. Hi everyone, welcome to channel. In this quick video I'm gonna show you how you can change your gender on your Instagram. So how you can do, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Instagram application and select the account which you want to change your gender. Let's suppose I'm gonna change this account gender as well, and simply you can click here on your profile, and here you can simply see this type of interface. Here you can simply click here on three lines, and here you can simply click here on settings, and you can simply see this type of interface, and you can simply click here on account. Here you can see the top corner option is personal information. You can click on it and you can see your personal information here, and you can see the toggle option gender. Click here on gender. Here you can select your gender. Let's suppose my channel gender is here, and I'm gonna switch to male. So click on it and select, and then you can simply click here, and you can see our account gender has been successfully changed. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you another video. If you have any question about this tutorial, so you can drop on comment section. I will be answering you.